Panda baby. To give birth to her cubs, the female panda makes a den. She chooses high mountain forests on steep slopes that provide shelter in bamboo thickets. The breeding period of the great panda first occurs at the age of 4 to 8 years. The mating season lasts from March to May, with females becoming more vocal. The rest of the time, pandas live a solitary lifestyle. Panda pregnancies last from 90 to 160 days, with an average of about 130 days. They give birth in a den and 1 or 2 cubs are born. A panda cub weighs 100 to 130 g, with a body length of 15 to 17 centimeters. The body of the newborn cub is covered with a thin layer of fur, under which you can see pink skin with black spots. Panda cubs are born blind and helpless. In the small and defenseless creature, it is difficult to recognize the future master of the bamboo forests. But panda cubs grow up quickly. Panda cubs' eyes open at 3 weeks of age. Milk continues to feed for about 46 weeks. Panda cubs make loud noises so their mother can hear them and not crush them. Females often give birth to twins. But unfortunately, the mother chooses to raise one stronger baby. The second one dies unattended. Pandas breed once every 2 years. Therefore, panda population growth is very slow. Breeding pandas in captivity is extremely rare. But when 2 panda bears are born in zoos, only 1 baby is left with the female. They take the second one and exchange it with the first one every few days. In this cunning way, it is possible to feed both babies with nutritious mother's milk. The female panda completely devotes herself to her baby, surrounding it with warmth and care. The mother feeds the cub up to 14 times a day and cradles it by rocking it in her large paws. Mothers often play with their grown cubs. The cubs stay with their mothers from 1.5 to 3 years of age.